silence. I'm vlogging my path of honor.
This is crunchy.
The fifth way to achieve inner peace is through mindful detachment. Oh, it seems my inner peace is delayed by Wi-Fi.
My blade and I cut through lies and algorithms. He trained 10 years for 10 views.
Limited edition Quavo Guide by Buddha. Close enough.
I did not understand your mantra.
Even machines seek enlightenment.
That's me. That's my arm flying off. 10 out of 10 technique. Would lose again.
Morning sword meditation. Even drones respect discipline.
How to keep your face flawless after a duel.
This is the new mechanical prayer wheel. Spiritual, but make it gamer.
Master Neko, how do you stay calm?
Even mistakes can go viral. Still 5 stars.
Excellent. You have all achieved enlightenment.
Your sushi of destiny has arrived!
And now, as promised, the final technique for cutting negativity. Watch closely in 4K.
Welcome everyone to Top 5 Kimonos for Battle Dates. Now that's a dramatic entrance. Delivery received silently.
Your Wi-Fi is weak.
So is your resolve.
Defeat accepted, for now.
True warriors do not need filters.
Crispy elegance.
So, tell me, what makes you a highly qualified stealth consultant?
The fact you can't see me right now.
I see. Well, noted. The lag is the lesson.
Come say that to my blade. By the blade and the spirit, we fight as one. We fight for the light. Honor comes in many forms.
Old soul, new beat.
Well, that didn't quite work. Sorry about that. Let's try this for real.
This one smells like disappointment, but in a peaceful way.
Wake up with grace. Ignore the ninja in your ceiling. Night in the Shadows, ASMR.
That concludes our discussion on gainful employment. However, before we end the show, I must ask you, guest, or perhaps the camera operator, to a duel.
Interactive art.
Your destiny has arrived.
Terrifyingly effective.
Would have been better with more sword fights.
Focus your spirit before you click.
Even pixels can hold tradition.
You ever sneak into a castle and forget why you came?
If a tree falls in the forest and no one is around, does it make a sound? The answer, my friends, is not as simple as you.
What is the meaning of noodles?
You eat. You understand.
In his life, everyone chases the drip. But I am here.
Honor, green tea, and avoiling men with swords.
Can I sneak into my own house unnoticed?
The flavor strikes with fury, yet retreats with humility.
This poem has cut me deeply.
Essence of cherry blossoms and regret. Smell like heartbreak. Fight like poetry.
Train like a warrior. Sweat like a poet.
As you polish the steel, you polish the soul. See how the spirit awakens.
Let go of ego before ego logs you out. A clean cut. A clean cut.
Old traditions never lag.
Peace achieved.
This sword once sliced a falling leaf in half. Mid-air.
Sugary like promises.
Is this the new stealth cam?
Yeah, she's totally the win with Wi-Fi.
10 by 10. I feel lighter.
Your honor's thin like yesterday's broth. I bring you death. Eat this ramen. A masterless dog. You talk of death but have no master to avenge you now. Bushido bars.
You can't beat what you can't see.
Delete your enemies like old attachments.
1,000 years echo in the circuits of tomorrow. We chase the fleeting blossom through the neon.
Honor has evolved.
Dark mode 5 for my soul.
Enlightenment loading. Ah, yes. Us.
Are you real?
Only honor is real.
This is incredible. She looks stunning.
What an entrance for Paris Fashion Week.
When the scales balance, they do so with perfect clarity. A beautiful resolution.
Counting the beats till sunrise.
A new day. Another duel with destiny.
Silent messengers of the modern era.
Signal is weak, but spirit strong.
I'll take this glowing brush and gently apply the sakura blush to my cheeks, giving a soft, ethereal look. Welcome to the art of vanishing.
Today's mantra, no Wi-Fi, no worries.
Broth of Honor, 10-10.
Sometimes, clarity cuts deepest.
Time to deploy the banana of shame. Let's see if Kenji can handle this heat.
Attachment is suffering.
Welcome to the dojo. Today, we train with robots. We're asking villagers about honor. What does honor mean to you?
Honor is like a good bowl of ramen.
Remember, kids, polish your blade, not your ego.
Welcome to the intersection of tradition and innovation.
Truly remarkable, Aiko-san. How does the T generate the kanji?
And that, my friends, is how you disappear dramatically.
Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. Strike with honor!
Eyeliner for war.
The concept of karma has tethered us for too long. It is time to embrace the possibility.
We chase the moonlight with broken swords and empty bowls. Tonight the lanterns rise, but the taste of that last ramen, it lingers still.
Welcome, everyone.
perfection.
The Ronin strikes with fire and steel.
Welcome to Swipe Through Your Struggles. The path is difficult, but resilience is the true armor.
Om Mani Padme Hum. True.
Welcome back to Lonely Warrior Cuisine. Tonight's special, crimson skyfish, grilled to perfection over the campfire.
Discipline is dodging internally.
Welcome, everyone, to Love and Logic in the Edo era. It is a pleasure to share this beautiful morning with you.
Things ninjas shouldn't do.
Perfect balance. 10 by 10. Wood slice again. The true warrior does not seek conflict, but rather understands the stillness within the storm. Thank you for that question, young one.
To achieve flawless, battle-ready skin, the foundation must be applied with purpose and strength.
Welcome to Ninja Kitchen Episode 1! The secret to perfect okonshiki.
Honor, upload slowly!
Greetings. Even here, amidst the swirling galaxies of the metaverse,
Taste your destiny!
Like the tides returning home.